Thank you very much for joining us. This is TVC Midday News, and today is World AIDS Day, with experts exploring the full potential of community leadership as part of efforts to end the scourge. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun has more.
The number of recorded cases of violence against women and girls has largely remained unchanged over the last decade. It has been considered as the most widespread and pervasive human rights violation worldwide, affecting millions. In 2021, nearly 1 in 5 women aged 20 to 24 were married before turning 18, and more than 5 women or girls are killed every hour by someone in their family.
For us, it is not just about the 16 days of activism. It is a year-long campaign to raise awareness and advocate against gender-based violence, so people will know first what GBV means and what they can do to protect their words, those within their sphere of influence, and beyond that, to also prevent GBV in their workplaces, in their homes, within their community.
This year, experts believe that interventions reaching people in communities is what will make all the difference in the HIV and AIDS response in the country. Elizabeth has worked with people living with HIV for many years within her community. She finds new infections, encourages them to get tested and treated.
The cases we discover in the community, we actually lead them to the facility, we enroll them, then we place them on medications. So once they start taking their medications, we keep monitoring them, that is following them up. We ensure that they keep to their drugs.
Experts in the HIV response, like Elizabeth, say they will continue to push to the last mile in order to end the epidemic. They begin with spreading this awareness through the almost 5-kilometer walk through the streets of the nation's capital city.
Without communities, we cannot end AIDS. We want, from 2023 up until 2030, when we are expected to reduce HIV from epidemic to an endemic disease, every leader in a community should take that as priority.
The walk rounds off at the venue of the main event that will kickstart the process of more interventions for the HIV/AIDS response in the country. This is being promoted through the launch of some national documents that will improve the HIV response.
Not achieve lasting progress in a battle against HIV/AIDS without the active involvement of our communities.
We've achieved well in treatment, we've achieved well in knowing your status, we've achieved various, we should sustain that. So I can say, if I'm to put a percentage, to be frank, we are close to 90-95% in terms of achievement.
There are some challenges and barriers to the HIV/AIDS program, like stigma and discrimination, the punitive laws and legislations. So all those issues can be really monitored by communities.
Let communities lead is the theme for this year's World AIDS Day, and experts totally believe that communities need to take charge of the HIV response, as they highlight the importance of communities taking charge ahead of ending AIDS by the year 2030. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.